Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize the website on Ecwid for party decorations, business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start for free. So let's get started. Okay, now it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard. Here where you're gonna set up your website and storefront. So click here, set up your website and storefront. It will take you now to the editor page. Now you're gonna edit and design your site. So click on the settings, go to the templates, and select here the templates or the topic you want to use for your topic or your business. So for the party decorations, um, I don't know if I can found it here. So if the topic isn't here, you can choose just a random one and design it on your homepage. Okay, so for example, okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, so as you see here, the first thing here you have to do, you have to go to the header and you have to change everything here in the header, the menu of this section here. So you have to change first the site name of your business. After this, you have to add your menu item. Okay, and the design. So here you can choose your favorite layout here. So in the design of any section on your website, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive so anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size and like the color, the spacing. Okay, you can also add the frame outline. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the headline. So as you see here, you have to add the subtitle and the description. So for example, you can delete this one here, for example, and add your for example, you can type welcome to our site, welcome to our site for party decorations. Okay, just a simple one like this. After this, you can go to the design and change the background. Okay, of course you have to change the color of the background. You have to change the font. Okay, just like this. uh, so now go back. Now let's move on to the store section. So here you can use this one, featured products. Okay, so before that, if you wanna create your product, go back to the dashboard and click here on your products or services. As you see here, click here new products. Okay, so here you have to add the product gallery. So take a picture of your products, add it here, the product of your gallery. So after this you have to add the name of your product, the area, the weight on kilogram, and also you can customize the prices options, and don't forget here the description of your product. So that's it. After this, save this place here and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background. Okay, and the title, the product name, and the product image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So of course here you have to change this title here. So here you can type your typography. Okay, you can type your typography to tell your customers who you are and your experiences and your services, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. So if you want to change image, go to the browser and search on party decorations. So select from here any image you want for your cover image. Okay, so uh, I'm gonna choose this one here. Now go back and change the image. Okay, that's it. Don't forget the description and the title and the tagline. After this, you can change here the layout. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, the short description. So here, as you see, you can add the title, of course, in the subtitle and the description. So here you can talk about why you start your business, what makes you start your business, and your experience, and why should your customers buy from you, and talk about who you are and stuff like this. Okay, now the design, of course, choose your favorite one. And now let's move on to the contacts. So here the same thing as normal, so you can use this description here. We are always happy to see you. Okay, after this you can add here, you can enter your business address, and enter here the exact postal address or the plus code. Enter here the daily hours. So just like this, enter the contact information, the social profiles, and the design here. I rather choose this one here of the background, the map in the background like this, so it's much better than the other ones. After this, don't forget to change this title and the description, the image. So as I said, don't forget the simple details. It's more important to make your site look attractive. So that's it. Now let's move on to the footer section. So here just enter your company name for the copyright, and that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select the company information or delivery information. So you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Okay, so that's it. Now if you're done from here, you can just publish your website, and now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.